Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au. I've got a bit of a deja vu from yesterday with the sellout launch of the 10-ounce Kookaburra, but it's actually the other coin I mentioned from that video that I've got a pretty substantial update on. The other coin I mentioned was the new coin in the Australian Gold Nugget series, the Pride of Australia. Perth did a variety of nugget coins back in the 80s, starting with the Welcome Stranger nugget in 1987. This eventually became a kangaroo design in 1990, and even though these coins continued to feature kangaroos on them, it wasn't actually until 2008 that the series stopped being called the Australian Nugget and became the Australian Kangaroo, which is now the standard kangaroo design we see every year. 150 years after Welcome Stranger was found in 1869 though, we got a bit of a separate reboot, with Perth launching a new nugget series separate to the kangaroo, and it's within that which we've seen the nugget coins from the last few years. The focus nugget of this year is the Pride of Australia, which never made it to that original nugget series in the bullion versions, but did happen to in the proof variety, which I've grabbed as a bit of a show and tell piece while I talk about the new one. But that means that this new coin is the first time that it has ever been seen on a bullion coin, which is very exciting. Perth say on their description of the new coin that it first appeared on the 1988 Australian Nugget 1-ounce gold coin, but I'm assuming that they're also talking about this proof version, because I've also managed to get a hold of the 1-ounce bullion coin from that year, and that's a Welcome Stranger. I'll show the new design up on screen now, and then also compare it to the older design. I think it's interesting to see two different takes on the exact same subject matter like this, particularly 35 years apart. It's not like an animal where you can get different poses or characteristics, it's a depiction of the exact same thing. Yesterday I said we weren't totally sure what was happening with this coin and that we were going to be trying our luck to see what we could do to get a hold of them. I think we did one better. We're actually the exclusive dealer for this coin within Australia, besides the Perth Mint, so it's awesome to have such an iconic coin with a nugget never before seen on a bullion coin exclusive to us. We've put in our order for these and should hopefully be receiving them soon, but in another similarity to yesterday, that means that these will also be a pre-order situation. As per usual, I'll put the link down to that below, so if you wanted to get some of these for yourself, head down there. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.